Analytical CRM is the customer relationship management in which analytics has to be made for the customer behavior. So the purpose of the analytical CRM is a customer data analysis. Analysis means what is the customer data, how this customer data can be interpreted. So this customer data evaluation, modeling and prediction of consumer behavior is possible through analytical CRM. What the consumer will think, how the consumer will buy, what will be the response of the customer. In a real life situation, the analytical CRM can, for example, gather all the data about the customers inquiring a specific product by using mining, that is tool for data gathering, what services they purchase right away and what services they are purchased eventually. This is in real life the customer has to be analyzed, customer behavior has to be analyzed. That what they will purchase and what they are thinking for purchasing and what they eventually purchase. When you go into the market, you usually think that this is to be purchased, but when you look at the shopkeepers items and you look at the shopkeepers products, you change your behavior eventually. So what you have decided and what you eventually purchased, that totally depends on your behavior. That totally depends on the circumstances in the market. That totally depends on the happenings of the market. It can find the patterns in the behavior and the purpose next steps during upselling and cross-selling. Upselling and cross-selling means upselling. Sometimes the product you are looking for, you purchase the product superior than that. And cross-selling means when you are looking for a bread, you purchase normally a chapati from the market. So this is the cross-selling. It can evaluate the efficiency of marketing campaigns, proposed prices, and even develop or propose new products. How marketing campaign had to be done, how the prices has to be decided, how the new product prices has to be decided, what new products has to be proposed. All this has to be decided only through analytical CRM. And this analytical CRM gives you the idea that how customer behavior changes, how customer respond to the environment, what customer is thinking, and what eventually they will purchase from the market. So all this analytical CRM is very important for deciding the consumer behavior so that you can have a knowledge that what will customer eventually buy. Now come to the next point, that is operative CRM. What is operative CRM? Operative CRM supports the actual contact with the customers conducted by the front office. Who are the operative CRM? Operative CRM are the front office customer relationship executives. Front office customer relationship executives. They normally try to contact with the customers directly and try to solve their problem by their physical effort at that point of time. And it is a journal automation process of a business process, and it includes the sales of the product by educating customers, servicing and marketing. So operative CRM is a CRM where there is no backend. Operative CRM is a CRM where customers' problem has to be solved on a desk in front of them. All communications with the customer is tracked and is stored in a database, and if necessary it is effectively provided to the users. For example, a person enters into a 5-star hotel. He contact with the receptionist of that hotel related to the inquiry for any room vacant. So any of the details given by this receptionist will be the operative CRM concept. So operative CRM is a CRM where customer problem has to be solved in front of them and is a front desk CRM. We can say that this operative CRM is a front desk CRM. Now students, come to the collaborative CRM. Collaborative CRM is related to the distribution channel, and it enables a company, all the companies along a distribution channel as well as the departments of the company to work together and share information about the customers. Even it speaks about the partner relationship management. What does it mean, guys? This means that information once received on this reception will be shared with all the departments. All the departments, when they are going to serve the customers, whose service has to be received by the customers. If there are the 4 departments related with the customer service or production, then these all share the information related to the customer, and this is known as collaborative CRM. The goal of the collaborative CRM is maximum sharing of the relevant information acquired by all the departments with a focus on increasing the quality of services, so that quality of the services will be best to the consumers. The ultimate outcome of this process should be increase in a customer utility for the product or services. And what will happen, that customer will get addicted to your product and services, because all the service required departments are giving best services to the consumers. Now come to the point, objectives of using CRM applications. What are the objectives? So the first objective of the CRM is support services to the customers, increase effectiveness of the direct sales force. Direct sales force are the selling executives of our company, to support the business to business activities, business to consumer activities. What are services given to business to consumers? These activities are supported by customer relationship management applications, to manage call centers, to help our customers in their queries. Inbound call center and outbound call centers. Call centers are of 2 types, where we receive call and where we make call. Where we receive call, that call center is known as inbound, and where we give calls, it is known as outbound call centers. To operate full automated, no consumer involvement, lights out. Full automated means when customer needs a support, he can get support automatically without getting in a contact with any executives. Come to the next point, that is advantages and benefits of CRM. Satisfied customer does not consider leaving. They do not look for another product. Product development can be defined according to the current customer needs. Product development can be used according to the current customer needs. A rapid increase in the quality of product and services, the ability to sell more products. We can sell more products through good application of CRM. Optimization of communication cost. Communication cost means communication between business to consumer get optimized. Proper selection of marketing tools. Marketing tools used in a communication process is very good, very properly selected, and this reduces your cost. Trouble-free business process. Trouble-free run in a business process. No troubles come in terms of the customer agitation or customer response. Come to the next point, that is greater number of individual contacts. Greater number of individual contacts with the customers. More time for customers. Differentiation from competition. You are different from your competitors. You are serving more beneficially to your customers. Different from competitors. Real-time access to the information. Fast and reliable predictions. Communication between the marketing, sales and services. Increase in effectiveness and teamwork. Teamwork get automatically increased with good communication with your consumers. Increase in staff motivation, because consumers are fully aware what you are serving, because you have good communication skills with your customers. So this is all related to the advantages and the benefits of the consumers relationship management. And we have discussed here objectives. In objective we discussed that selling executives will be very effective. There's an inbound and outbound call center which help in the queries of the customers. There's a full automated consumer relationship management process. Advantages and benefits of CRM. Here satisfied customers are there and they do not think for living. And quality of the products are also get increased. Defined product development has been defined. Ability to sell more product. Consumer have more ability to sell more products, and the company has more ability to sell the product to the consumers. So this is all related to the benefits and advantages. And one of the most advantageous thing is that you are very different from your competitors. You have real-time access information about your consumers so that you can help them and solve their queries. Effectiveness will got increased. Increase in staff motivation, because they are very motivated when they know that their customers are already aware about all the products. So that's all for the consumer relationship management. In next class, we will discuss consumer relationship management risk, CRM risk. There are many types of risk. That portion we take from your study mat. Thank you.